Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to a new video, and in this video I'll be reviewing a new headphone. Well, it is the Naenka Runner Driver and it is a unique one because this headphone is a bone conduction headphone. So this is gonna be a first for me, so I'm really excited about it. Now if you don't know about bone conduction headphones, they basically transmit the sound using your bones. Yes, your actual human bone, skull and stuff like that. So I'm really curious to see how it works. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into it. Okay, so let's get through the unboxing first. Well, on the back side of the box, you'll get all the information about the headphone, but we'll talk about that later. Inside the box, first you'll get the headphone itself. And then inside this box, you'll get an accessories box. And in that, you'll get a pair of earplugs, a USB cable, and a user manual guide. The build quality of the earphone is solid. The headphone is built with titanium metal and there is barely much bend to the headphone, except for this part, and the whole headphone is covered in a thick silicone rubber coating. There's the charging port which can be used to transfer data as well, and it has magnets on it so the USB cable can sit properly. On the left side there's the power button and on the right side there's the volume plus and minus. And also there is a LED indicator as well which shows the current status of the headset. Then there's the inbuilt speakers which most probably has piezoelectric drivers, but I'm not sure about it. And for the size, I wish I could increase or decrease it, but it's alright. The fit is okay for me and I hope it would be okay for most people. And also you can bend it a little bit with brute force but not too much. And I found this issue with my unit where this part isn't glued properly, but it isn't a big problem to be honest. And that's it for the build quality. Now let's talk about the sound quality. The sound quality here is actually quite good. The sound is crisp and clear and not too bassy. So it does kinda sound accurate to me. Now as they are not like regular earphones, they do feel a little weird at first, but then you get used to them. I'm extremely sorry for interrupting, but if you're enjoying the video so far, then please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel as it will mean a lot to me. By the way, I do have to mention that there's some serious sound bleeding issue. So if you're listening in full volume, the people around you can also hear whatever you're hearing. And the headphones get quite loud. When you want to use it on a bus or a public area, you might find it a little awkward. Now the weird thing about it here is that the sound is really loud on storage mode, but not too much on Bluetooth mode. I have no idea why that happens, but the headphone sounds way louder when you're using the internal storage rather than the Bluetooth. But the sound quality is same for both modes, so I'm alright with it, but this does feel a little weird to me. The earphone supports Bluetooth 5.2 and the way you connect it to your phone is by pressing and holding the power button for a while and then you say it in the Bluetooth menu of your phone or your laptop. And if you want to use the inbuilt storage, then you have to change the mode by double tapping the power button. You can long press the volume up and down buttons to change your music, and you can access the inbuilt storage using the given USB cable. The headphones are marketed as sports headphones, and I do have to say that they do a really good job at holding themselves in sports activities. The headphones are IPX8 waterproof, so basically you can use them even underwater for 1 hour in 1 meter depth. In my experience, sweats or dunking them in water didn't cause any issues, and I usually use them when I'm working out or taking a shower, and they do a really good job at it. And because they are bone conduction, I don't have to worry about the speakers getting wet or water getting inside of them. Now the inbuilt storage. Now there's one fun fact about this is that you can use it as a pen drive as well. So even if you're not using the storage for keeping your music, you can even use it as a pen drive. You can access the storage using the USB cable that comes with the headphone. So you basically have to connect one side to the headphone and another to your PC or laptop. Then you can upload any kind of music to the origin directory of the storage. So basically you cannot create any folder here. I mean, you can create a folder, but then your headphone won't recognize the music. You can put any kind of FLAC or MP3 format song here and the songs will be recognized automatically. So that's the review of Naenka Runner Diver, and here are my concluding thoughts about it. So first of all, they are bone conduction headphones, so there's definitely some getting used to them and a little learning curve when it comes to headphones. Now the build quality is overall great, but some people might have some fitting issues. The sound quality is really good and I don't have any kind of issues with it except for the fact that when the headphone is connected in Bluetooth mode, the sound isn't too loud. The waterproofing and the inbuilt storage of this headphone makes it super easy to use underwater, or if you want to use it while taking the shower or stuff like that, you can definitely do it. And I didn't have any kind of issues in that department. Now the only deal breaker I can find about this headphone is the price. The headset costs around $170 and I think the price is a little too high for a headphone like this. Now definitely this headphone isn't for everyone, this has a little niche use to it when it comes to headphones, but if you want to buy this headphone you can definitely consider buying it, but I won't go ahead and say that you should buy it. Well, if you want to buy it or not, I guess that's up to you, but for the price, would I say it's worth it? Well, I'm really not sure about it, to be honest, because as I've said, this is the first time I'm reviewing a bone conduction headphone. Now overall I felt it is great and overall sound quality is great and usage and stuff like that is great, but does it justify the price of $170? I'm not really sure about it. Now if I want to rate it without keeping the price in mind, I would definitely rate it a 9 out of 10. Now when it comes to the price, I would give it a 7 out of 10. Now well, this is it for today and well, see you in the next video. Bye.